Welcome. Today in front of me Huawei Nova 9, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first step, just go to the settings. Here scroll down and find sounds and vibration. Tap on that, and right there you will see the ringer messages and notification. And just by swapping with your finger on the left and on the right side, you can change the ringtone volume on your device. The second way is just by using the volume buttons here on the right side of your phone. Just press on the down volume button and to the up volume button, and you can change your ringtone volume. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.